Nutrition is important for health. An unhealthy diet can damage your metabolism, cause weight gain, and even damage organs, such as your heart and liver. But what you eat also affects another organ, your skin. As scientists learn more about diet and the body, it's increasingly clear that what you eat can significantly affect the health and aging of your skin. This video takes a look at 10 of the best foods for keeping your skin healthy. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and herring, are excellent foods for healthy skin. They're rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids are necessary to help keep skin thick, supple, and moisturized. In fact, an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency can cause dry skin. The omega-3 fats in fish reduce inflammation, which can cause redness and acne. They can even make your skin less sensitive to the sun's harmful UV rays. Some studies show that fish oil supplements may help fight inflammatory and autoimmune conditions affecting your skin, such as psoriasis and lupus. Fatty fish is also a source of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for your skin. Getting enough vitamin E is essential for helping protect your skin against damage from free radicals and inflammation. This type of seafood is also a source of high-quality protein, which is needed for maintaining the strength and integrity of your skin. Lastly, fish provides zinc, a mineral vital for regulating inflammation, overall skin health, and the production of new skin cells. 2. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats. These fats benefit many functions in your body, including the health of your skin. Getting enough of these fats is essential to help keep skin flexible and moisturized. One study involving over 700 women found that a high intake of total fat, specifically the types of healthy fats found in avocados, was associated with more supple, springy skin. Preliminary evidence also shows that avocados contain compounds that may help protect your skin from sun damage. UV damage to your skin can cause wrinkles and other signs of aging. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. Most Americans don't get enough vitamin E through their diet. Interestingly, vitamin E seems to be more effective when combined with vitamin C. Vitamin C is also essential for healthy skin. Your skin needs it to create collagen, which is the main structural protein that keeps your skin strong and healthy. Vitamin C deficiency is rare these days, but common symptoms include dry, rough, and scaly skin that tends to bruise easily. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage caused by the sun and the environment, which can lead to signs of aging. 3. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a nutrient found in plants. It functions as provitamin A, which means it can be converted into vitamin A in your body. Beta-carotene is found in oranges and vegetables such as carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source. 1/2 cup, 100 gram, serving of baked sweet potato contains enough beta-carotene to provide more than 6 times the DV of vitamin A. Carotenoids like beta-carotene help keep your skin healthy by acting as a natural sunblock. When consumed, this antioxidant is incorporated into your skin and helps protect your skin cells from sun exposure. This may help prevent sunburn, cell death, and dry, wrinkled skin. Interestingly, high amounts of beta-carotene may also add a warm, orange color to your skin, contributing to an overall healthier appearance. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and contain all of the major carotenoids, including lycopene. Beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene have been shown to protect your skin against damage from the sun. They may also help prevent wrinkling. Because tomatoes are rich in carotenoids, they're an excellent food for maintaining healthy skin. Consider pairing carotenoid-rich foods like tomatoes with a source of fat, such as cheese or olive oil. Fat increases your absorption of carotenoids. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is full of many vitamins and minerals important for skin health, including zinc, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It also contains lutein, a carotenoid that works like beta-carotene. Lutein helps protect your skin from oxidative damage, which can cause your skin to become dry and wrinkled. But broccoli florets also pack a special compound called sulforaphane, which boasts some impressive potential benefits. It may even have anti-cancer effects, including on some types of skin cancer. Sulforaphane is likewise a powerful protective agent against sun damage. It works in two ways, neutralizing harmful free radicals and switching on other protective systems in your body. In laboratory tests, sulforaphane reduced the number of skin cells UV light killed by as much as 29%, with protection lasting up to 48 hours. Evidence suggests sulforaphane may also help maintain collagen levels in your skin. 6. Soy. Soy contains isoflavones, a category of plant compounds that can either mimic or block estrogen in your body. Isoflavones may benefit several parts of your body, including your skin. One small study involving middle-aged women found that eating soy isoflavones every day for 8 to 12 weeks reduced fine wrinkles and improved skin elasticity. In postmenopausal women, soy may also improve skin dryness and increase collagen, which helps keep your skin smooth and strong. These isoflavones not only help to protect the cells inside your body from damage but also your skin from UV radiation, which may reduce the risk of some skin cancers. 7. Green tea. Green tea may help protect your skin from damage and aging. The powerful compounds found in green tea are called catechins and work to improve the health of your skin in several ways. Like several other antioxidant-containing foods, green tea can help protect your skin against sun damage. One 12-week study involving 60 women found that drinking green tea daily could reduce redness from sun exposure by up to 25%. Green tea also improved the moisture, roughness, thickness, and elasticity of their skin. While green tea is a great choice for healthy skin, you may want to avoid drinking your tea with milk, as there's evidence that milk could reduce the effect of green tea's antioxidants. 8. Dark chocolate. If you need one more reason to eat chocolate, here it is. The effects of cocoa on your skin are pretty phenomenal. After 6 to 12 weeks of consuming a cocoa powder high in antioxidants each day, participants in one study experienced thicker, more hydrated skin. Their skin was also less rough and scaly, less sensitive to sunburn, and had better blood flow, which brings more nutrients to your skin. Another study found that eating 20 grams of high antioxidant dark chocolate per day could allow your skin to withstand over twice as much UV radiation before burning, compared with eating low antioxidant chocolate. Several other studies have observed similar results, including improvements in the appearance of wrinkles. However, keep in mind that at least one study didn't find significant effects. Make sure to choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa to maximize the benefits and keep added sugar to a minimum. 9. Sunflower seeds. In general, nuts and seeds are good sources of skin-boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are an excellent example. 1 ounce of sunflower seeds packs 49% of the DV for vitamin E, 41% of the DV for selenium, 14% of the DV for zinc, and 5.5 grams of protein. 10. Red grapes. Red grapes are famous for containing resveratrol, a compound that comes from the skin of red grapes. Resveratrol is credited with a wide range of health benefits, among them is reducing the effects of aging. Test tube studies suggest it may also help slow the production of harmful free radicals, which damage skin cells and cause signs of aging. This beneficial compound is also found in red wine. Unfortunately, there's not much evidence that the amount of resveratrol you get from a glass of red wine is enough to affect your skin. And since red wine is an alcoholic beverage, there are negative effects to drinking it in excess. It's not recommended to start drinking red wine just because of its potential health benefits. Instead, you should increase your intake of red grapes and berries. What you eat can significantly affect your skin health. Make sure you're getting enough essential nutrients to protect your skin. The foods on this list are great options to keep your skin healthy, strong, and attractive. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.